Yes, certainly we have to change this mentality, and I think it should start at schools. It should start education process. We have that in Europe. We normally start very early with education in kind of waste treatment, yeah, and this helps a lot. For example, in Germany we have separate collections of waste, like we call it the yellow bin or the recycling bin, and it is very broad accepted by the people. Also, it needs a certain effort from people because they have to collect and separate all their waste in several bins. But they accept it because they see that it is good for the environment, that it is at the end job creating, yeah, and it is useful because you have a clean and proper environment and a clean and proper climate, and this is the way we would like to live, or we should live. So we should respect our environment and treat it as we would like to be treated.